Hello guys, welcome to Wolf Elect. If your home is secured, your life is assured. Safety tips 101 part 2. You see how you have been loading your overload extension board like this? Yes, that's very dangerous. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to separate every switch. One extension board, you are plugging in TV, fridge, microwave, and even standing fan. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can separate all these circuits from your extension board so that you can prevent fire outbreak and fire burns and even electrical shock. How to separate the circuit from your extension board. One, whenever you're renting a house, make sure your house have plenty sockets in it, or the room has plenty sockets. If you are heavy user of electricity, make sure your room have plenty sockets in it. Two, when you like the room and the room doesn't have plenty sockets in it, please contact your electrician so that he can come and fix another socket in your room, plenty sockets in your room, so that you can prevent the fire outbreak and the electrical burns. So please like this video, comment and share. This is Wolf Elect. If a home is secured, your life is assured.